This is Cowboy Spaghetti, and it's honestly the best pasta I've made in a long time. It's so flavorful. It includes beef, bacon, cheese, scallions, spicy tomatoes. It's just fantastic. Let's make it. Go ahead and crisp up about 6 bacon strips and cook on the stovetop till they're nice and crispy on both sides. Then remove it from the skillet and set it aside. The bacon released a lot of grease, so I removed about 80% of it and kept about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add the onions and saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the garlic and red pepper flakes and cook that for like 10 seconds before adding the ground beef. I like to just crumble it up. I do like to leave some chunkier pieces, like bigger pieces, and you want to brown that completely. That should take 4 to 5 minutes. I added 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, some Rotel, fire roasted tomatoes. That was a 14-ounce can, and an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and half cup of chicken stock. Cook that for 15 minutes. Then season the sauce with salt and pepper. Add 1 pound of al dente cooked spaghetti. Really mix it in. Add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese if you want. Some scallions. The crispy bacon goes on top. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy.